Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add text to your Instagram post. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, let's just create a post on Instagram. We can click on this plus button to start creating a new post. And here I'm just going to upload a photo from my device. I'm going to upload this photo, for example, and then we can click on next right here. And if you want to add text to your photo or to your post, you can click on this icon on the top right. And I'm just going to type like this. Okay, once you're done adding your text, you can change the font like this, guys, and I'm gonna go with this one. Then we can click on done, and you can place this text to any part of your photo. You can also zoom in or zoom out like this, and then once you're done, you just need to click on next. And once you're ready to share your post, you can click on share, and this video will be shared to your Instagram. Alright guys, and that's how we can add text to Instagram post. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.